Hi, my name is Rida and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a privacy policy page in your WordPress website that is more important for every website. In our previous video, we create a home page, a contact us page. If you don't see that video, get a link from the description and check it out. So let's start. To create a privacy policy page, first we have to create a page by name of privacy and policy. Click on pages, click on add new and add a privacy and policy. I'm going to tell you how to create these pages for free. Let's publish it and have a look of these pages that it's created on. As you can see, the page is create now. Now I'm going to tell you how to enter data in these pages for free and how can you create this for free. Okay, let's have a look actually how these pages look like. So in our website you can see about us a privacy policy page. So you can see I create this privacy policy page like that, and I'm gonna tell you how to create like this for free. Okay, so let's start. Go on Google and type privacy policy generator. Okay, so as you can see, privacy policy generator, free privacy policy templates, and you can see there is an other, and there is an also other. Check it out one by one. Don't do too quick. For example, I click on that. I think this one is good. Enter your company name. For example, my company name is Ria Tech. Enter your website from here. Copy your website link. For example, my website link is that. I copy it, paste here. Uh, Sorry, here I have to enter name of our website, that is Ria Tech, and here enter your URL and click on next. And see, there is some question, that is, do you have cookies on your website? If you have, click on yes. If don't have, click on no. For example, for now I don't have, so I click on no. Do you have advertised through Google AdSense on your website? If you are using Google AdSense, if you don't know what is Google AdSense, let me know in comment. I will create a video for that. If you have, click on yes. If you don't have, click on no. Do you show advertising for third parties except Google? For example, you are doing any, if you are doing any affiliate marketing or something like that, if you do, then click on it. For me, I'm not doing like that, so some click on no and click on next, and select your country from here. I'm from USA, so I choose United States. You choose whatever country you are. Click your state. I click New Jersey. Enter your email address. Okay, whatever email you use in your website and for your website. So for now I enter ABC and you enter whatever you're using. So generate my privacy policy and it will, so as you can see, the privacy policy page is create now. Copy that, click here, select from here. You can also copy from here and clip in your clipboard, and you can also clip text to your clipboard, and you can download also, and you can also copy from here. For example, I'm going to copy from here. Okay, and I copy it. Go to your page, go to your dashboard, and in pages, go to your privacy and policy page, click on edit page, and paste here. Okay, as you can see, it's pasted here. Click on update and have a look of your page. From here, you can also preview in tablet and mobile, as it's look in a tablet, how your website is look in a mobile. Okay, you can preview from here different types. Okay, that's update, and have a look of your website. So as you can see the privacy policy over here. So as you generate your privacy policy data here, but hold a minute and listen. As you can see, there is a free privacy policy generator. You have to delay this. Okay, go to your edit page, click here and remove this from here. If you have seen any type of this thing here, just delete it. Okay, as you can see, there is a line, our privacy policy page was created by from this and this. Remove it. Okay, as you can see, there is your website name, and there is a concept, the information we collect, how we use information, log files, advertising partner privacy policy, third party privacy policy, CCP, all that thing. Okay, update it. See, the page is ready now, privacy policy page, and you can see there is a privacy policy, but when we click here, it doesn't show anything. So go to your dashboard, go to your site, click on edit site, click on menu, click on privacy policy, and as you can see this one is called link button. Click on that, and just right here try. As you can see your created page shown here, click on here, click on save. Okay, refresh it. Okay, so visit your website. When you click on it, as you can see, it's now linked. Okay, if you have any query and question, ask me in comment. There is a lot of generator over here. You can choose according to your choice from Google by writing privacy policy generator. I hope this really gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. See you in another video.